Hey there, welcome back to edtech. Today I'll be doing a tutorial on one of the JavaScript number method. You must have heard of toFixed. If you've not, this is a very interesting method. When you have like numbers with decimals, this is how you do toFixed to get a fixed number of, or rather to round up numbers to the particular number of digits or decimals that you like, or rather rounding up when you have decimal numbers. Okay, so I'll just explain it in a short while. Watch until the very end. It's a very short tutorial. Let's head over to my JavaScript file. Okay, let's consider a variable x. Let's say it's a decimal number 45.7789. You must have seen decimals like this, so toFixed can fix this issue. Okay, sometimes you don't want such huge decimals. After that you want to fix it to two numbers, one number, or just rather fix it. Okay, so let's say variable y is equal to x dot, so you append it with the dot fixed, F-I-X-E-D, and then the parenthesis. So if you just do anything without an argument, let's see what happens. I forgot to do document.write y there you go. So it's just rounded up to 46, because 45.7789 you can round it to 46. Sometimes the decimals could go even until 10 places. Okay, so now let's say you want to have to a particular number of places the decimals. So let's say 2, because there are until 4th place. So let's say 2. 45.78, right? Because the 789 gets rounded to 8, so 7, 8. Let's say to 3. So 45.779. 7, the last 9 gets rounded to 9. Let's say just 1. So it becomes 45.8. And if you don't write anything, it just becomes 46, because you know, like after 0.5, anything that happens get rounded up and adds 1 to the whole number. So this is how, to the decimal number, like 0.7789 or 0.9 becomes 1. So you can add 1 to 45 and becomes 45 plus 1, 46. But had it been less than 0.5, no need to do. Like for example, if it's like 0.2233, for example, let's do the same thing, 45, right? Because it's less than 0.5. If it's like 0.5, then it gets added. I hope you already learned this in mathematics, but this is the way JavaScript can fix this issue. So toFixed, this is how you do toFixed, and this is one of the number methods in JavaScript. So I'll be doing more such number methods in the next lesson, so watch out for the next tutorial. If you've not subscribed yet to my channel, do subscribe and smash the bell button so that you're notified of my regular tutorials. Stay safe, stay subscribed. See you in the next lesson. Bye.